Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PTI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, everything is still perfectly fine. I will say that things are a little maybe sketchy right now, maybe a little confusing, and that's all a matter of perspective. And, so if you're a day trader and you bought right there, or maybe you bought right there and you wanted to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well, then, yeah, from those perspectives, things are, looking a little bit, but from the grand scheme of it all, everything is still perfectly fine. Now, today, pretty boring day. And I don't say that in a negative way, but just from a context perspective, I mean, past couple of days, the price has essentially just skyrocketed upwards. So now, all of a sudden today, it only went sideways. But I would argue that that's actually that much better of a sign of health. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But if you have traded for a while, I'm sure you've seen stocks that skyrocket up, and then all of a sudden, they just go right back to where they started. But that hasn't been the case. Prices at least started to go sideways. Now, that doesn't mean that this is for sure going up to $10, but my point is it's good to see that the price was at least able to consolidate and now start to build and establish a price level at a much higher area. Whereas you look at the last time it got quote-unquote boring, well, there was some boring action where it just went sideways. Oh, look, it was boring down here too when it just went sideways. But do you notice what's going on here? Each and every one of these boring periods keep getting higher and higher, and that's how those uptrends are built. So yes, today, by no means was it exciting or anything like that, but overall a very healthy day. So continue to watch 340. That represents that near-term level of support that did a great job of holding up today. If there is any sort of return back upwards, then right up there at 395 is that initial level of resistance. So overall, like I said, yeah, today was it exciting? No. But what is it? Was it healthy? Absolutely. So let's see what this one brings next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.